Hi everyone, I am Dichi and welcome to the vlog. Today, I'll be sharing to you my story and my journey in harvesting rice during this quarantine. I hope you'll watch till the end and please don't mind the singing person at my background. It's my neighbor. So let's get started. The way towards the rice field wasn't an easy road. You need to jump above the quote-unquote bridgeless waterways, walk under mango trees, cross a dry tree trunk where you need balance so you won't fall. That's unless you're a local and you'll find fun in it. The good thing about this day is that it isn't raining. Well, it's good. We don't have to suffer walking on a brown, slimy, muddy path. We wouldn't sink ourselves in a muddy soil because if it happens to be raining that day, I guess I won't be able to join them. I'm quite afraid with the leeches that sucks blood. Yes, there are many of them. If you wouldn't mind, the next video will show you how we took revenge on one leech that successfully sucked my cousin's little blood. But if you would mind, you may skip this video. The choice is yours.
Lainap minahon di oy de. Oy, video ete.
Uy, gikuan ka doon.
Awa.
Mama
Maor siguro mo sup-sup dane. Kana ada lubot. Kani lubot.
Dili ang duha ka buo. Ayaw dong. Mama.
Ini mo buhay ra na.
Patya dong. Ayaw, patya dong.
Na ba sa?
Asa ba?
Ako. Wala na ar ginon.
Halar pa dong ni mo, Berix.
Uy! Ya taas kis tubig.
Wala ka daka.
Mana imong gikaon?
Ay,
Samo tay ngani ta dikuha lagi. Dikuha lagi sama di tay bijuan mo tay.
Pero ate lagi pakita. Ala. Ayaw ibalik sa tubig. Ay. Ay, ibalik sa tubig dai. Papaak ya.
Ah, di ko oy. Sukin mo dugo. Kani gid oh, grabe
Patya na lang na.
Sige sirit dugo mo ni god.
Patya na lang lagi.
Patyo.
Oh, mamahit na.
Ay, bitay. Tanawa murag balon.
Ni man eh. Ay pag ana.
Ayaw nang dako gamay lang.
Mapahitan ka dong. Dong ni kuha na si imong gamot dong. Ay, ni kuha na si imong gamot. Ayaw ba?
Ya,
Okay ra ni. Uy, mama.
Ya, masanggot ya.
Pwede ba na pamanikot yung trigwayo? Di wala nang maaki mo? Duwe.
Wala mo ko gito mo ni.
Tuskig. Oh, sakita na.
Na dugo. Gadugo tay no.
Ala. Ikoy na mahit na nimo do.
Isod gyud atong kuanon ba kay lami kay nag-salon.
Gotak na
Atong balik atong bali.
do na mahit na nimo do.
Mom nang inom niya god.
Do imuha naman ang dugo.
Dili ko dugo oy.
Iya na. Imuha naman lagi siguro na. Ay, ano nang gipak, be? Nga dugo? Oh,
Mo na gikaon sa.
Dugo nila be. Isup-sup nagdugo. Ay baliha dong.
Tuwara ko daw.
Tulubot. Kay nindot kito slak ng lubot.
Yung bali.
yan ang dugo. Da. Ano to sa?
Nya mga
Ay! Oh. Patay na ni? Ay, nana, adak, ano to?
Dabuhi gyapon ang mom.
Giluwat ka?
Wadong day.
Ayaw na lang nagkuha.
Oo na. Try. Na nagap ka daw din ha.
Kana.
Kuha. Buhi gapon?
Ay, mong gibuhian do?
Ah, buhi gapon ay.
Hala, grabe. Gitusok na ganing ha.
Langoy sa.
Yapon. Yeah, boy. Hindi lagi picturean oh. Ang reflect.
Namurag na ayos yat eh.
SIP na to, day. Kung saan pagpatay sa limoto.
Oh, wala siya naayot eh.
Ang atubangan daw. Niya daw ko.
Kani. Ano din siya? Iya ha, self-healing.
Itapot daw ng usaday kana natangtang. Kana yung lubot sa itapot daw. Natanaw na to niya kung makuan pa ba na bas at tubig.
Oh well, enough of those.
Awag
Here's
pa
how
doon niya.
harvesting rice is done. That's the main point of this vlog. Am I right? Okay. Well, anyways, firstly, you find a spot for you to harvest everything in an organized manner. Was it organized? Okay, what I'm trying to explain is that you're going to finish the whole square where if that's your assigned task, you have to start from the finish. From the start. I mean, From the I don't know. From the starting line to the finish line. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Was the English word organized? I really don't think so. But anyways, secondly, grab your weapon with your hand. Joke. I really don't know again what's the right English of this garab thing. The name is garab and the other name is sanggot. So the garab is the most specified tool used for harvesting the rice, and if you don't have enough of the garab, you can use the sanggot. And I don't know, is it sword or oh sorry bolo, I forgot. Oh sorry guys, I really don't know what's the English. Sorry. Thirdly, make sure you're able together with the others to finish the whole square. Yes, the whole square. Finish everything in the whole square. Do not skip so that everything will be harvested without leftovers and without wasting the other rice grains. Next, once you're done with the whole square, you are going to tie it into bunches using the lais of the buli tree. Basta it's the buli tree. Yeah, a buli tree. That's the lais. So you can carry them and then gather all of the harvest in a place. That's it.
Dato na niya hatod. Ito, kita mo to. Dato niya hatod.
And by the way, before I forget, I got my realizations about the outfit. Make sure to cover yourself unless you want it to be grilled under the heat of the bright sun. That's why I'm wearing jacket and a long pants. No, that's leggings and the shoes. Oh, I'm so OA, right? I'm wearing a shoes in the rice field. It should be barefoot or slippers. I'm so sorry. I'm so OA. Well, never mind. Then it's set for the next step. The next day, we return to the field to watch how the harvest turns into grains. There's a machine called by the farmers. It's called tracer. It's a machine that separates the grains from the stalk and leaves. So that's what you're seeing right now. Yeah, that's how it's done. Then it's done twice in the machine. First is to remove the leaves and stalk for you to play. But farmers have carabaos and cows, so they collect them in a sack and feed it to their farm animals. Second processing in the machine is that it's the separating of the empty with the filled grains. Then you can have your share ready for drying in your place. Of course, I also wanted to share to you our way home on a rainy day. Yes, it was raining very hard that day, on the second day actually, and then riding motorcycle in a slippery, rough road could be very dangerous. So we need to walk back home through the so-called shortcut. Actually, it's indeed a shortcut, but don't worry, we only bring the plants that attract us along the way, so we could plant them at home, like the pineapples and even the flowering plants. Since it's raining, I have to barefoot, so my slipper's life could be preserved. That's the purpose, you know. Well, anyway, the harvesting doesn't end there. You also need to dry the grains under the sun. But make sure that chickens or birds won't eat it, or else you'll lose everything that you have harvested. And you also need to stay close to it and watch it if you wanted to keep your rice grains. That's what my parents are doing. Then, If the grain starts to pop because of dryness, bring it to the nearest rice milling and then see your white rice harvest. Unfortunately, I did not personally saw how the rice were milled because I got no quarantine pass. As I end this video, you will be seeing how I harvested the malunggay of my aunt, and I would like to thank my cousins, aunts, and uncles who were very generous for this experience. I now have my own story to tell. See you again, guys, and don't forget to be grateful always to the Lord from whom all blessings come. Please see my other videos, and I am grateful and glad that you chose to be with me today. Bye!